Welcome back, Math Grizz. Today we will be rounding decimals. We have 4 and 3,684 ten thousandths, or we can say 4.3684. And we need to round to the nearest hundredth. We're going to be focusing on the digit in the hundredths place, which is a 6. In order to round to the nearest hundredth, we need to look at the digit in the thousandths place. If the digit in the thousandths place is 5 or greater, we will go up by 1/100th. We notice that 8 is 5 or greater, so the digit in the hundredths place will go up by 1/100th. So we will write 4.37 or 4 and 37 hundredths. 4.3684 rounded to the nearest hundred is 4.37 or 4 and 37 hundredths. Let's round 2.2932 or 2 and 2,932 ten thousandths. Let's round to the nearest thousandth. Let's start by focusing in on the digit in the thousandths place. In the thousandths place, we have the digit 3. Let's look to the 10 thousandths. In the 10 thousandths, we have the digit 2. 2 is less than 5. Which means we will leave the 3 thousandths as is. We will write 2.293 or 2 and 293 thousandths. We have 3.8543 or 3 and 8,543 ten thousandths. Let's round to the nearest tenth. Let's focus in on the digit in the tenths place. In the tenths place, we have an 8. In order to round to the nearest tenth, we need to look at the digit in the hundredths place. In the hundredths place, we have a 5. Since this is 5 or greater, the digit in the tenths place will go up 1/10th. So we will write 3.9 or 3 and 9 tenths. We have 1.6793 or 1 and 6,793 ten thousandths, and we need to round to the nearest whole number. We need to look at the digit in the ones place. Now we have to look at the digit in the tenths place. If it's 5 or greater, it will make the ones go up by 1. We notice that 6 is 5 or greater, so the ones place will go up by 1/1. We will write 2. 1.6793 rounds to 2 wholes or 2 ones.